Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand dishwasher and it's giving you an F04 error code and you're wondering what's going on and what can you do to fix it. So first things first, this is not one of the easier things to fix because what's going on here is it's sensing an error with the thermostat that checks the temperature of the water. And as always with errors like this, where it senses a problem with something like that, the error can really be anywhere along the line from the thermostat, all the way to the control board. It can be the thermostat itself that's burnt out or not working somehow. It could be the wiring going to the control board, or it could be something going wrong on the control board itself. So this error is really something that needs to be troubleshooting by a professional, have a technician come out and look at it. The one thing that I would suggest you do, some of these electronic errors can be cleared out by doing a hard reset on your machine. So turning it off and disconnecting it from power for at least a minute, and then turning it off, and then turning it back on, restoring power, turning it on. That'll clear the error, and it might not come back. And if it does at that point, you're probably better off calling a technician. But anyways, at least you know what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.